Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to block sounds on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know how to block sounds on TikTok. Click on the TikTok app. It's impossible to block someone's sound that you are hating. It has a solution that click on this share option and report that person or that video. When you report that video, select the reason like harassment and submit that option. That post with that sound will be blocked on TikTok. Only sound cannot be blocked. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.